Long look sa way long you want them of family come at this time. Long side long mama. Look sa way. Now thank you. Want him something? Stop. Politic. You may lose him long this time. Die stop. This blood miss. Mama now. Want them mipla family. Like talk thank you long you. Long come up long you. All get a custom. By no got cross na. Sorry stop. Want them you na. Ahan to all get a family. Okay. This blah. Mas. Look sawe. Na sorry bro mama. Mama am tambo now. Long sister long gawana. And this blah like something and makta so. Long talk sorry na. Welcome him. Family long Auntie Luisa. Okay da. Want him something he come up long before. You may lose him of this blood time. And time long. So him last respect. Thank you Auntie Luisa. Na family. Na you walk him custom. Last custom long papa long this blood time. And talk thank you. Long side long mama. Suppose you plan to sawe. Ahan ko. Gawan na sa like him sister long him Tomas. All kita sister long him. Time. Ang wali ko God. Anit siya time. You plan bin stop overseas. Liglig heavy come up lang ko. Am sa salim Byron ko. Mr. Quantum. Namit tok long kawan na long display time mi to. Suppose one man put him hand long sister blow me, you must bite him. Yeah. Time anggo walte bin rough lig and mi sanap ta so long block him mi no bite him. Taiko tu Auntie Agnes. Time man lo bin rough lig lo yan. Go through my kambang want mo line na mo. Yung salim nilong ko rousing kambang. Na stop him hand long man. You got plenty lig story. Na time emi like mango and by salim mi ko find mango long. House long. Sister. Emilia. And this plan now. And talk thank you. Na look sawe. Long mama, we go long Auntie Luisa. Na family. Long one more something. Even come up. You may lose him long this bad time and time long ding man long mi play sit down na. And we welcome you pla. They like him pla, na love him pla long this bad time. I'm so him long love you. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. It's fine. I'm younger than you. I'm only 18.
And you told not that just go like that, yeah.
Thank you very much. Now I can give you a hug. Thank you. Thank you for coming. All right.
Last one now, second last, sorry. And this plan. I need a chair. You come want them all sister blow you. Liench chair, Lori chair, na. All kata bubu tu. This plan no good enough. But then mark long. Mama. Long talk. Come that's all. Now welcome. People loving you long this time. People stop. Na people finish him good. This sit down. Long papa. Long this time.
Not only that, he's your godfather. Your godfather.
He was your flower girl.
Yeah, I know. With Stephen.
This plateau, I go. One time, I need a chair. Makimusado line. Lian chair. Lauren chair. Now family usadi come. I'm a big pla. Custom long or Murad come. One time if I go come no place. Em ya bet long mitla. Acting em. Em ta song suppose minister like gimlik tok anko. Em, you're right.
All same that's all. Time city like come up politics. And me talking me, but me may go talking papa. Papa you alright long and long sanap. Except na me play this flat time me play close to that's all. Me play pass one time. And me got walk long and long Mosby. Me play say look out Lady Stella. All picking me up mark na Toea all born and me no stop. Me play all sister that's all you have Stella. So Oksawe all same true. Me play got little cross. That's all me no got cross long and that's all got cross long. Me say he alright. Me kisim that's all na me pass mouse. That's all now. Time me sawi I think time long and now. He said talk to me now. Now all get that time all Christmas now. Me say bring him kia and come long and. So me play good plapidis. Sem talk sawi that's all lah. You know like you play ting all sem. Me play got cross yet no. No got cross long prata. Me to play very close. All right, em to some like talk sawi.
Alright, so mamay makin look na side blongen na liglig haplo family. Me like now makin big pla haplo family all the time. Listen up lo here lo makin big pla haplo family. Or si sablo mi Anita, Lorraine, Liane, liglig pla tablo mi Ket, Mama 110, Lady Stella, Byron, Vanessa, Toea. Byron mo na pasin ni Joaquim now. I guess was something I've been longing for a long time. I always wanted peace. I always wanted peace. I didn't want that relationship to break. And out of your dad's, my respect for your dad, I just kept the distance. Because of my respect for him. And I didn't want to make it any harder than what it was. Maybe things I want to take and dribble me by. Okay, you, Wally, you come here. Sit down. We got to talk to you. Maybe waiting this day. And this day closely didn't come up. And maybe selling text. Long ana biamak second lo tini o same line lo kimi natame mi salim isla text mi holy back one play day blo mi lo travel nami min kam lo yelo man na mi tu bla bi nata bla. I don't know whether the timing was right, timing was wrong, but me no feeling was maybe been like expressing them how any summon similar text. Maybe moment wasn't right, I don't know, circumstance wasn't right. But I came here, he acknowledged me, he spoke to me. Whether he spoke to me with what he wanted to, I don't know. I was just listening. Mimi sit down to solar talk. Why something you walk him and pick something. You saw him bell through blow family to you. Nami sana play here, you have the mipla. Because you walk in front of the big hard poglo, think the mipla, and you finish it. Now I come back to side of mipla accept it. Mipla honoring sila traditional pasim ken sila peace namel mipla family. I will make sure I translate all that to the rest of the family members, what you've done, what Lady Stella has done, in the hope of bringing us back to a united front, like we were once before. Thank you. Thank you, and thank you very much. because it's like for you to break that barrier. I was wondering when this day was gonna come. So you starting now? Mami now, baby, finisin biyan no time lumi. Lo pekim, pasim lo kastam. So thank you. Lo kirap no good me. Thank you. Lo kirap no good mama. Thank you. Lo kirap no good family. But we play accepting kirap no good for you. Let me play our master.
Okay, thank you.
All right, and to the extended family as well. Over the nephew, love you too, the side. Kailangan, one bell with the organ. And thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks, Jay. Come, palihan mo, mama. Come on. Tay po. Tay po.
Like a bar.
Tay po.
Let me sit down and go down. We're going to be praying again, okay?
Okay, all big man, long imi. Thank you, long custom. Long display custom, long talk sorry, long minister na clan long gawana. Ihamo mas long all kita ikamya. Na yumi all kita family staff na bong long display time. Long sorry, long gawana long. I think that's all. Kulok kaladeng.
Amamas, Belisi, na good plawak bung by staff na melo yung family. Thank you.